Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today to do day 8 of our Art Impressions Watercolor Advent Calendar. This has been such a fun journey. I have now finished the 1 week mark, and we have quite a ways to go. So this was quite a big endeavor to do a video a day, especially because I haven't been watercoloring very much this year. I've been doing yoga teacher training and teaching and hosting craft retreats. So this year has been just really busy. So I haven't gotten into my watercolor. So this is my best way of motivating myself to get back into it. And I'm so excited. I've been having just a blast. So let's open up day 8 of this beautiful advent calendar and see what goodies lie in store. Ooh, beautiful. So is this mistletoe? I don't know. Somebody in the comments let me know if this is mistletoe. It's got some green leaves and then some little berries down here. I am horrible with foliage and flower names, so I will probably get it wrong. So please correct me in the box below. And then my storage method for these stamps while I am crafting throughout the month is a picture frame from the Dollar Tree. So I've just been adding them to my picture frame. And then at the end of the month, one, I'll probably need a bigger picture frame by the time we're done. And two, I will find another storage mechanism for these for the future. And then I'm probably going to take the label here off of the pamphlet that came with it to be my header so I remember where I got these from. So let's get to crafting. So for this one, I did decide to bring in my Bible journaling framework set. And I just found out they have a framework set too. So I just purchased that. It has not arrived yet. But I love these for quick, simple cards. And I love them so much that I teach with them often, and then I pre-stamp some of them. So I have some in my collection that I've gone through, and I've just pre-stamped them so that I have them easy to grab and go. So that's what we're using today. I am going to just put some music on in the background so you can follow along and listen as I'm crafting and speed this video up so you can just enjoy. So here we go with our, I think, mistletoe for a quick, simple, and easy card. Thank you so much. I'll see you at the end of the video. Perfect. There we go. Just a little bit of bling goes a long, long way. And this card is complete. Again, day 8 of the Art Impressions Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to go back in later and add in a sentiment. But absolutely beautiful. Have a great day. I'll catch you tomorrow.